Welcome back to the video class, dear children. Today in this video class we shall discuss the solution of two difficult questions from the assignment to be given in the coming online class. So let's find the solution of the first example. An athlete takes 5 rounds of a rectangular path, 120 meter long and 80 meter wide, and find the total distance covered by him. Let ABCD be the rectangular path, and length of this path, that is AB, is 120 meter, and width of the path, that is the breadth of the path, is given to be 80 meter. An athlete here have to move around the path how many times? 5 rounds, means 5 times. So if he start from A, then B, reaching B, then C, then D, then A. This is called one distance covered in complete round. So this is what we call the perimeter of the rectangle. So the distance covered by the athlete in one round is nothing but the perimeter of the rectangle. So the total distance covered by the athlete in 5 rounds means that is same as 5 into the perimeter of the rectangular path. So first one, to find the distance covered in one complete round, we shall find the perimeter of the rectangular path. Using the formula, perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times length plus breadth. Here length is equal to AB equal to DC equal to 120 meter, and breadth is equal to AD BC equal to 80 meter, and perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus breadth. That is 2 into length is given to be 120 meter, and breadth is given to be 80 meter. Coming here, 2 into 120 plus 80, 200 meter. 2 into 200 meter is equal to 400 meter. Therefore, the distance covered by him in one round is equal to perimeter, that is 400 meter. So this is the distance covered by the athlete in completing one round of the rectangular path. Therefore, the total distance covered by the athlete in 5 complete rounds will be 5 times the perimeter. Five rounds equal to 5 into perimeter. It is equal to 5 into 400 meter. This will give therefore the distance covered by him in 5 rounds equal to 5 into perimeter. 5 into perimeter is found to be 400 meter. So 5 into 400 meter means 2000 meter. 2000 meter means 2 kilometer. So the distance covered by the athlete in 5 rounds of the rectangular park is 2 kilometer. Then let's come to the solution of the second question. For this question, you need to pay more attention. Find the breadth of a rectangle. We have to find the breadth of a rectangle whose length is 8 centimeter and perimeter is given to be 28 centimeter. Let PQRS be the rectangle whose length is PQ or SR. Breadth is QR or PS. And by the question, length is given to be 8 centimeter. PQ given to be 8 centimeter. And this also 8 centimeter given. And we have to find PS or QR. So we can take this one to be X. X be the breadth of the rectangle. And perimeter given to be 28. We have taken X to be the breadth of the rectangle. Then we have the formula, that is perimeter equal to 2 times length plus breadth. Perimeter already given to be 28 centimeters. So in place of perimeter, we can write here 28 centimeter. Then this equal to will come down here, 2 will come here, and length 8 centimeter. This plus will come here, and breadth we have taken X. So X will be here. According to both mass rule, we have to operate the bracket first. So we can use distributive property. If like this expression given, what we do is 2 into 4 plus 2 into 5. In the same way, 2 into 8, 2 into 8 centimeter plus 2 will multiply with x, 2 into x. 28 will come here, equal to will come down here, 2 into 8, 16 centimeter. plus 2 into x means 2x. Let's come here. 28 centimeter is already on the left hand side of the equal to. Then this what we want to find is x. So this one we keep unchanged on the right side of the equal to, and this one you bring to the left side. Then no sign here means plus. So if one term from one side to other side moving, then sign will be changed. So this plus will come minus, and 2x not moving, so no change of the sign. 28 minus 16 will give 12. Then to find x, this is same as this. Then x equal to 12 centimeter will be divided by this 2. That is 6 centimeter. So the breadth of the rectangle is found to be 6 centimeter. So this is how to find the breadth of a rectangle when the length and perimeter is given. For today, these two solutions will be shown, and other solutions will be shown in the next coming video. Thank you, dear students.